Every great career in technology begins with the right environment to learn, explore, and innovate. Welcome to the Masters of Computer Applications program, where knowledge meets practical excellence. Our well-equipped computer laboratories provide students with hands-on experience using modern technologies and helping them develop the practical skills demanded by today's IT industry. Our updated and industry-relevant curriculum ensures students stay aligned with the latest technological advancements, while smart classrooms create an engaging and interactive learning experience. A well-stocked library offers access to an extensive collection of books, journals, and digital learning resources, supporting both academic excellence and research. Regular workshops, seminars, and expert sessions conducted in our modern seminar halls provide valuable industry exposure and opportunities to learn from experienced professionals. As an autonomous institution, we offer flexibility to continuously enhance our academic standards while awarding a degree recognized by IK Gujral Punjab Technical University, combining academic excellence and trusted recognition. Build your future with confidence. Learn, innovate, grow. Join the MCA program and take the next step towards a successful career in technology at CGC Landran.